Why you don't want? Lordship, may I just bring to Lordship notice that I just filed not to the supporting to my point which I have raised. Lordship, keep it out.
Very well. Yes.
My Lord is asking the state of Madhya Pradesh to finance that. But they are not financing. When I was filed an application along with the so the IA number is 144720. This is a very important data.
Very well. We'll take that into account. Yes, sir.
Hello. May I continue?
Yes. Oh, yes. Sorry, Biju.
I'm sorry,
No. Yes, please go ahead.
not because I'm EWS.
Yes.
My lords, with utmost respect to my lord's court. Last time, my lords, I indicated the very submissions of banned attorney, A.K. Venugopal sir, economic criteria, admission to private unaided colleges, and the extremely important point is exclusion. So, my first submission, I am getting my note, my lord. I prepared a short note, and I will take only the time which my lord granted to me. Well, the other side argued, if somebody touched 15.4, 15.5, 16.4, 16.5. Somebody taken away their rights. So therefore they argued exclusion. Actually, they included, like Venugopal sir submitted, there are compartments, the evolution of the constitution with the majority judgments, with the dissenting judgments, my lords, compartment SC is a compartment, ST, another compartment, OBC, another compartment. Now, my lords, because of 51 judgments onwards, Balaji onwards, my lords, with utmost respect, even Ambedkar said in the debates, assembly debates, my lords, the poverty should be the foundation of the reservation. My lords are well aware of my point. Kindly note this point, my lord. The poverty should be the foundation of the reservation. Balaji onwards. Ashok Kumar Thakur, Indira Sahni, and repeatedly and consistently said that you should consider the poverty as the basis of the reservation. My lords are well aware, argued, I don't want to develop that again and again. Now what's happening, my lords? Instead of a caste-less society, since decades, we are trying for a caste-based society by promoting, by discussing, by debating, my lords, utmost respect. From 51 onwards, how many judgments are there for reservations, CST, OBC, how much percentage, some states are 100%, Tamil Nadu recently has struck down, etc. Here, my lords, in my notes, there is a particular page I am going to give you, my lords. In India, first time, a community, Vaishya Shema Sabha, submitted an application to the Chief Minister of Kerala that we need that. Actually, they were getting this percentage of reservation this way or that way, but they said that we need 10% of reservation. Honorable Chief Minister said, this is first time I am seeing such a representation that people are bargaining for, we don't want the reservation. This is what happened in Kerala. So therefore, my lord, according to me, my lord, yes, according to me, my lord, the very foundation of the bill is the ground realities. The foundation of the act, objects and reasons. Objects and reasons, my lords, already gone through in the reply affidavit filed by the Government of India. Therefore, I don't want to see. What is the objects and reasons, my lord, with great respect? If I say, I am not in court number 1. If somebody, good scholar, researcher will say, Biju was not there. So, if we run after the judgments and judgments, we will get this judgment, we will get that judgment. But here, my lord, I recollect, if my lord Chief Justice may recollect, my lord Justice V.P. Singh and my lord Justice Hegde's observation, you tell us the facts. don't teach us the law, we will apply the law into the facts, and not vice versa. And second thing, my lord, I also recollect my lord Justice Sabarwal's speech in his retirement speech. He said,
Mr. Biju.
yes, my lord, because that's very important. Only one point is very important.
Point in issue.
Yes. Now, my lords, with these words, I am sorry.
Yes.
My lord, first one is short note about who is the respondent number one.
Yes.
And the caveat in Youth for Equality, reservation 73. And I am appearing for them also. And the 103rd Amendment, Constitutional Assembly debates preamble of the Constitution. Then, my lords, here I have a respectful submission, my lords. This is also argued as if, and as I read, where so much of things and arguments were there. I think a section of protected category also misunderstood or misguided, saying that somebody touched 15 by 16 or 16 by. It's a separate compartment at home. That's why, my lord. Now, then, therefore, according to me, Keshavananda Bharati case saying that what is the foundation, components, pillars of the basic structure. My lord, democratic, secular, justice, social, economic, and political equality of status, and opposite page 2. So, therefore, how this bill became an act, whether rules of business of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha followed or not. So, my first submission, my lords, it is democratically passed. Out of 313 MPs, only 4 rejected.
Nobody has even seriously questioned the fact that it has been democratically passed. Correct?
Why I'm saying, my lords, because there is an allegation, arguing that fraud played on constitution.
That's all.
What is the fraud played is, I also, my lord, with
What
respect.
he said is seriously argued. Correct? Yes.
Yes. And my lord, page 2, Kerala State Welfare Corporation for Forwarded Community. Same.
Yes, please.
Different states are doing this. They are protecting their people. And my lords, Sindhu Commission, my lord, Indira Sani, my lord, kindly note this. Para 800 of Indira Sani says, for the Risha pullers, for any type of people who are suffering, that can be considered as caste or class, and accordingly we can give the reservation. Now here, my lord, Chief Justice asked a particular question, how you are perpetually poor. And others also argued that you take a lottery, then your poverty will go. Even I don't have money for taking a lottery. So, my lord, in my in the first page, see, I highlighted one sentence. My lord, see the middle of that first paragraph.
Yes.
However, respondent hearing is not against the reservation of anyone. Because of my lord, after last day's argument, somebody asked, Biju, you are only for OBC, against OBC, etc. So we are not saying that. We are saying that once you are asking inclusion in EWS, you have to leave the status, which means if they want to sit on my chair both the time at the same time, that cannot be possible. You come out from the SC compartment, then you be in the EWS. None touched 15 for 15.5, 16 for 16.5. And my lord, next point is, so therefore, my lord, I'm sorry. Sindhu Commission report.
Yes.
Well, my kindly recollect. 1980 Mandal Commission report. 1990 implemented. That is the basis as per para 800 of Indira Sahib. 2010 Sindhu Commission. So 2019 implemented. So paragraph 800 of my note this point. Paragraph 800 says that you have to have a data. So whether adequate representation is there or not, and data required is there or not. So two things established by Sindhu Commission report that this particular group, they are not a vote bank. Brahmin, I'm saying about the Brahmin Rishabhular. I'm saying about the poor pujari priests of the temples. Early morning, 3 o'clock, they are going to the temple with a wet dress and coming back with some dashina. They are not vote bank. When Mandal Commission submitted its report due to its implementation, para 5 and 6 of Indira Sahib, may kindly read what happened in the country. These non-vote banking people are not ready or not even having power to argue, bargain. That is why since decades you bracketed me as a Brahmin, as a forwarded community, then denied my basic rights. Now there is not a welfare legislation, but it's a historic legislation. It's a revolutionary legislation by touching the tears of that poor people. That is what, my lord, first page I am saying that I am not against your compartment. And at least what you are arguing, what is your fundamental right where it is denied? If someone touched a 15,405 or 16,405, nothing happened. And something filed, my lords, repeatedly, that's not a post office. See the first writ petition, whether it is followed the guidelines of my lords, how to file a bill. So 12th Act passed, 14th, 2 days writ petition filed without having anything. So what happened, my lord? We must be very cautious because of a section of the people from the protected category misunderstood or misguided them that your rights have been taken away. For example, my lords, last day when I argued about, I said that Vaikund temple, somebody asked me, you are against SC, ST, OBC. What to say? So this is what happened with this repetition. So it has to be dealt with very strong hands of law, my lords, because it is affecting our country, and that law can be done only by my lords. See what is their prayer? Did somebody touch their rights? No. But by touching the tears of the poor Brahmin, Rishabhular Brahmin, I am saying, Rishabhular Vaishyan, Rishabhular Kshatriyan, Rishabhular, our bus conductor, hotel employee, as land age is submitted. So just touched their tears. Now what is your problem? Now you want to inclusion. Come, then you leave that compartment. This is what my lords, one area. Now, my lords, I said the objects and reasons, my lord. Then, my lords, you will see page 2 and 3, how this bill passed. And my lords, page 4, my lords, my respective submission, page 4 top. According to my lords Keshavananda Bharati and the subsequent judgments, the foundation, the pillars of the basic structure is democratic, economic. Economics derives from the preamble of the Constitution itself. And this is completely followed, totally followed in passing this amendment. And this 15.6 or 16.6 is nothing to do with other articles. My lord, may kindly note this point. It is not at all inconsistent with any of the articles of the Constitution of India. So therefore, if it is, my lord, agreeing that if it is passed without any problem or without any illegality, considered by us, considered by other side, my lord, then my respective submission. Now you are touching, you are coming qua democratically passed bill or act. So who is trying to play fraud on Constitution? not by us, not by this act. So you want,
We told you 15 minutes.
yes, my lord, I'm just completing, my lord. I'm just completing. No, because I am EWS.
No,
I'm
you
more
can take 5 more minutes.
I'm
Yeah.
sorry. Yeah. Then, my lords, Indira Sahni. Then economic criteria can also be considered. Indira Sahni, page 4 and 5, my lords. Then Ashok Kumar Thakur, my lords, paragraph I just indicated there, page 6 and 7. Nagaraj.
Yes, sir.
Then, my lords, page 7, 8.8, Roman 8, my lords, middle of the page, my lords.
Yes, please.
The submission of the petition, exclusion is submitted to us. We are already included. We argue for inclusion in the EWS. It is illegal, like SC cannot take benefit of ST, so and so, so and so. And my lords, then one important submission is page 7, my lords. Now kindly have the constitution for a second.
Yes, please.
My lords, I am saying what I am going to say, my lords. 31C is my fundamental right. May I read 31C, my lords, with great respect to my lords' court. Saving of laws, giving effect to certain directive principles, notwithstanding anything contained in Article 30. No law giving effect to the policy of the state towards securing all or any of the principles laid down in Part 4 shall be deemed to be void on the ground that it is inconsistent with or takes away or abridges any of the rights conferred, etc. Now, my lord, may directly come to 39. So, 39, B and C especially, my lords,
Correct.
that the ownership and control of the material resources of the community are so distributed as best to subserve the common good, that the operation of the economic system does not result in the concentration of wealth and means for production of to the common detriment. So, my lords, now see how it is interpreted, this very relation of 31C and 39 is described in Keshavananda Bharat. That is what page 7. 7 to 9, my lord. Now, my lords, I am answering to my lord Chief Justice's question that, my lord, again I am repeating to substantiate this table that none touched your rights. None taken away your rights. It's a special compartment with the available data, with the study report, as there was no adequate representation. The government appointed a commission in 2001 or 2, and that is submitted in 2010. That commission saying that after consulting each and every state government saying that these particular people also has to have some consideration. So now my lord Chief Justice asked, see how you can perpetually poor or the untouchability. If I am a C, that will continue as a C. So therefore, tomorrow if I become a crore, even then I am a C. Very well. My lords, that's why my respectful submission, my lords. 51 onwards, in Indira Sahni itself, as I indicated, my lords, that perpetual poverty is there. That is why state of Kerala, well, kindly page 2. That's why state of Kerala appointed a commission before this act. Page 2. The Kerala State Commission for Economically Backward Classes among Forward Communities is a statutory commission constituted by the Government of Kerala under the Kerala State Commission for Economically Backward Classes among Forward Communities Act so and so. Under Section 3 of the Act, the Government of Kerala has to constitute the commission with a retired judge of the Honorable Supreme Court or High Court as chairperson with 2 members belonging to forward community having special knowledge in matters relating to forward so and so. So, my lord, my respectful submission, it is not first time. It is some other states also it's there. And therefore, what is my submission is this, my lords. The question is, my lord's question, my lord Chief Justice's question. It is not perpetually you are not poor. But I remember, my lord, I recollect my lord Justice Butt's question. you are poor, your father is poor, your grandfather is poor. So, my lord, this part three is not, I'm not Indian citizen at all. Therefore, my lord, what they are having the rights, I want to send my children also to the school. My children also has to get some food, dress.
Mr. Biju,
So-
please confine to the point.
And my lord, my last submission is, my lord, that table.
Yes.
My lord, page 11, page 10, my lord, this is very important. My lord, this
Yes.
Yeah, page 10, my lord. What is the result of this particular law is this? We are going to read an area which is a casteless society. This is the only community in India, according to me, or as per my limited knowledge, my lord. They went to the Chief Minister of Kerala and said, we don't want any caste-based reservation. We need that economic criteria reservation. My lord, this is the beauty of this particular act, my lord. We are reaching. This is what the foundation of the debates in Assembly, my lord, makers of the Constitution, my lord.